They're so good. I don't think they fit me anymore. They don't fit me anymore. Oh shit. Hello everybody, my name is Akanksha Advani and I'm the owner, executive producer of this channel called Don't Be Silly. So welcome back to my channel. And today I'm starting a new series that's called #Silly Obsessions. And in this series you'll basically get to see the different obsessions that I have, and they will vary from various things, trust me on that. Today what my #Silly Obsession is bangles. I have a crazy obsession for bangles. I just love buying bangles, especially when they are matte colored. So today I'm going to show you the different bangles that I own. So we'd gone for a wedding to Udaipur in December, and I don't know, I have this crazy thing that with every outfit I will wear bangles. Like that was a must for me. So before even buying the outfit, I actually bought the bangles first. So I had to sit and coordinate my outfit with the bangles. Hi. बोले चूड़ियाँ बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगदा मैं ते मर गईया लेचा सोनिए लेचा हो oh my love. So I love the color white. I'm really fond of the color white. So I was like, why not get white bangles? I did not even have a single outfit that had white in them when I went to the wedding, but still I wore this somehow. I don't know, I matched like 3 colors together and I wore them because I wanted to buy these bangles and B wear them because they're so pretty. Okay. मेरे हाथों में नाना चूड़ियाँ हैं जरा ठहरो सजन मजबूरियाँ हैं मिलन मौका न की दुनिया है. I don't know lyrics, huh? मेरे हाथों में नाना चूड़ियाँ हैं. Oh, okay, story behind this. I didn't get to wear this because the outfit that I planned with these bangles didn't turn out the way I wanted it to turn out. Like the top नहीं मिल रहा था, फिर दुपट्टा नहीं मिल रहा था. So I unfortunately never got a chance to wear these. Just look at them, they're so pretty. Like I love this blue color. Like this, I don't know. Ooh la la. Oh my god, this was the wedding outfit, and these bangles like made my outfit even better. No joke, I was in love that day with myself because I wore these bangles. So I bought a pink color, so pretty. I love this baby pink shade. Then I bought golden, like plain golden, and then I love this because this is matte. Then I bought yellow. Oh my god, like I'm obsessed with matte bangles. Like they're one of my favorites. So this is how I wore it, and I had like 2 full hands. I had 2 hands full of like bangles. So just imagine how good did that look. So these are my mother's bangles. So these are her bangles, and she was gonna throw them, but I was like, what is wrong with you? How can you throw this? Okay, now this is a very special bangle. This is one bangle I will like, even if it stops fitting me, I will never throw it. But this is a very special bangle for me, and I remember the first time I dropped it, I think few motis or whatever it's called came out also, and I got so scared that if they'd get to know, or you know what would happen. I asked my maid also to keep quiet. And last, I don't know if this is a bangle, but this is really dear to me because I have worn this literally all my life. So these are what do you call them? Kadas? Not or whatever. So these are basically that, and They're very, very, very close to my heart because I wear them in Navratri during Garba. But yeah, this was my bangles collection and my first episode of hashtag Silly Obsessions. I hope you all liked it. You all know the drill. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, do share with your friends and family. And until then, keep being silly. Bye bye. Like, it's a great accessory. Like, it's genuinely the most prettiest thing.
तेरी खन 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 के रे